Plastic surgery is not just about beauty. It's also about your total well-being. Want to know more? Watch and subscribe Dr. Advice for Malo channel by trusted surgeon.
So when we do our breast augmentation surgeries, there are different approaches, no? The first approach to consider is where will we put the incision or where will we put the cut, no? So the first option is to do an inframammary approach, means that we put the cut underneath the breast. Second approach is we put it around the areola, periareolar approach. And the third is we put it at the armpit or the axillary incision. Now, usually there are pros and cons for each type of breast augmentation incision. So, some of the advantages of doing an inframammary approach. When we do the inframammary approach, there is no cut in the armpit. So if you like wearing, let's say, maybe short sleeves or sleeveless blouses or shirts, then there's no cut that can be seen in the armpit. Okay? That's one of the advantages. Another advantage is we can use bigger breast implants when we do the inframammary approach, because we can also what we call dissect, no? Or make the breast cavity, area bigger. No? However, the disadvantage is, of course, we will have a visible scar at the lower part of the breast. No? In some cases, it's very inconspicuous. You cannot see it. But in some cases, you can really see the scar. So it's up to you and your doctor to decide if this is the approach for you. No? Because different ethnicity and different skin types may bring about different kinds of appearances of the scar.
Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more. Thank you.